Hey everyone, it's MGOTV1. When I think about the 1990s, my brain goes straight to those iconic sitcoms. These shows were more than just entertainment. They reflected a decade grappling with change and diversity. They made us laugh, but they also made us think, and that's what made them so impactful. So today, we're taking a trip down memory lane to explore how 1990s sitcoms used humor to deliver sharp social commentary. Friends is like the quintessential 90s sitcom. Beyond the coffee shop shenanigans, Friends touched on significant social issues. Remember when Rachel left her comfortable life to pursue her dreams? These storylines sparked conversations about gender roles and societal expectations. Friends subtly reflected the changing social landscape of the 1990s. Seinfeld, a show about nothing, brilliantly satirized the absurdities of human behavior and social norms. Remember the soup Nazi? These exaggerated scenarios held a mirror up to our own social anxieties. Seinfeld made us laugh at ourselves and the world around us. The Fresh Prince of Bel-Air tackled serious issues head-on, but always with humor. Will Smith's journey was a powerful exploration of race, class, and culture clash. From dealing with racial profiling to confronting his own identity, the show opened dialogues about social inequality. It used humor to appreciate different perspectives. Roseanne offered an honest portrayal of working-class life in America. Roseanne Connor juggled family, finances, and everyday challenges with humor and grit. The show tackled tough topics like unemployment, healthcare, and LGBTQ+ rights. These storylines brought important social issues to the forefront. Frasier explored themes of mental health, class, and relationships. Frasier Crane's interactions with his father and brother highlighted social class divides. Frasier's struggles with anxiety provided a nuanced portrayal of mental health. The show reminded us to embrace our vulnerabilities and find connection. Everybody Loves Raymond mined the humor and heartache of family dynamics. The sitcom offered a relatable look at the joys and frustrations of family relationships. From overbearing in-laws to parenting challenges, it captured the chaotic but loving nature of family life. It reminded us of the deep well of love beneath the surface. Will and Grace broke barriers and changed television. Featuring a gay lawyer and his straight best friend, it was revolutionary for its time. The show challenged stereotypes and normalized same-sex relationships. It paved the way for greater LGBTQ+ inclusion in the media. Martin brought Black joy, humor, and culture to the forefront. Starring Martin Lawrence, it celebrated Black life, love, and friendship. Beyond the jokes, it addressed important social issues affecting the Black community. Martin showcased the diversity of Black experiences and left a lasting legacy. Home Improvement touched on evolving social dynamics, particularly gender roles. Tim the Toolman Taylor represented traditional masculinity, while his wife, Jill, challenged those norms. The show explored the changing roles of men and women in the 1990s. Murphy Brown was ahead of its time. Candice Bergen starred as a fiercely independent TV journalist and single mother. The show tackled political and social issues, sparking conversations. Murphy Brown celebrated strong women and journalistic integrity. From Friends to Will and Grace, these 1990s sitcoms left an undeniable mark on television history. They made us laugh, think, and reminded us of the importance of humor and social commentary. So which 90s sitcom holds a special place in your heart? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to MGOTV1 for more deep dives into TV and pop culture.